So what are we doing here?
So you can still do it, but you have to have a stop loss. It has to be 3-to-1, and you can't use bracket orders. So you have to pick a direction.
So does the stop loss go in automatically?
No, you have to put the stop loss in. So where you put in the take profit right above there, there's one that says stop loss.
Yeah.
And you have to do that.
Okay, and that's just for funded or evals?
Just for funded. Evals, it doesn't matter. I don't think they care about those.
Now, how do you pass the $250,000 account?
You just this morning, look at the 830 candle. I would have passed two of them, but it canceled my long orders for some reason when I was trying to adjust the take profit on them, and then I ended up blowing them both. That's how it works normally.
So what did you do? 27 contracts. How many ticks?
It's 113 ticks to pass it.
Jesus Christ!
But we easily got that. I mean, look how much I made on the 50Ks, and that was with 10 contracts.
Was that slippage or what happened there?
Well, yeah, it's just slippage. It's just where it finally filled. Dude, Quantower straight up crashed. And then it came back, and apparently it filled everything.
I can imagine with these $250,000 accounts, everybody's going crazy for $16.
Yeah, I'm assuming so.
I assume the 930 will be probably crazy also.
Maybe. I don't know. But, I'm definitely perplexed by what's going on.
I'm not sure if I should YOLO my eval or if I should trade my funded right now and just wait and see like how this whole thing plays out.
Yeah. But like what I'm saying is like, what if I put in, like, say the stop loss for the account? What is the stop loss for the account? Does anybody know for 10 contracts? It's got to be like 55 ticks or something like that. I could probably figure it out. Well, let's just say it's 55 ticks. Well, let's say I do a 20 ticks to 60 ticks, right? So I have the 3-to-1 in place, but then say I take profit earlier than that at like say 15 ticks. Well, I had my stop loss at 3-to-1, but it wasn't working, so I took profits early. Like, what's to stop that from happening? Yeah, I'm just very confused on how they can regulate this, because a lot of people don't even put in a stop loss at first. They just have a mental stop loss.
And where are these rules written? Because I didn't see it anywhere.
It's in the payment agreement. That's the other thing. And when you first sign into your Apex account, I think it pops up as well. How would they know where your reward is so they can determine? That's what I'm saying. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Well, they can see your orders, yeah, but what if you get into a trade without a stop loss, knowing that your like, say I wanted to short here, knowing my stop loss would be here. You're telling me I got to go in and put in a take profit and a stop loss based off of that? Like, no. Like, what if I'm into, like, my instincts are telling me to get short here? Like, a lot of people, they don't have time to figure that stuff out. Right. Yeah. Like, what if you move your stop loss? I guess if you move your stop loss to break even, they don't care about that, right? Because you're making it actually smaller. The way I read it is that they want hard set orders, which is micromanaging every trader's style and making it their own. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, you're essentially telling us that we can't trade the way that we've been trading. Like I said, taking away the bracket orders is not what's going to kill them. It's this whole stop loss ordeal. Everyone that's trading, I guarantee 90% of the people that are actually making money were not using stop losses. Like, they might have been using stop losses, but they weren't using like hard set when I get into the trade stop losses. I mean, I'm still going to, the orb trade should be fine for me to the long side here, as long as it stays below here.
All right. Oh, well.
And I guess we'll see how the stop loss works.
Actually, I didn't even get the order.
I feel so slighted right now. 519. 519 is where my order was. It went to, no, I missed it by a point. So this is such a joke, man. Because watch what it does. It'll probably come back up and work.
I just canceled the order. Couldn't like it.
What a joke. Oh, man. To me, I feel like this promotes more gambling than anything.
It promotes scalping.
Of course, I was using 20 ticks too. If I was using 15, it would have worked. I just noticed that. I totally forgot that I changed. I didn't even mean, I was using it as an example. 15. Literally, it would have filled me to the tick now that I'm thinking about it. This is so dumb.
Oh, there's no range right now at all.
I didn't get it.
All right, I'm in. Little push. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push, 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 push. Come on. And I'm out. All right. Halfway there, 1750. Oh, nice little top tick there for now. What are you doing?
I was just scalping. I mean, what else are you supposed to do at this point? I'd like to get one more, and then if I get one more, I'll just wait until tomorrow.
I think I'm going to put something in for my 250 account.
Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll try to get my drawdown back on the 250K account.
You going to keep it going long?
I have no idea.
Not now. So how many
These rules have been there all along. I don't think anything's new. The stop loss rule is definitely new, but yeah, the other stuff they're saying has always been there. So I'm very confused with them getting at the point that they're going to just now start enforcing it. Like they're just going to pick and choose when they enforce it. Let's say I have 30 ticks stop loss and 10 ticks take profit, but I decide to get out of 5 ticks. That's what I'm saying. I don't really understand their thought process with that. Like just because I have a take profit initially of say 10 ticks doesn't mean it's going to get to 10 ticks and I'm going to just let it go to my stop loss if it doesn't. Yeah, I don't understand how they're going to monitor that. Yeah, Dan, I'm right there with you. But again, a lot of these rules have already been here. So my thought process is I'm going to trade by what it says in hard print and keep doing everything else and see what happens. Man, I really wish I would have just used 15 ticks. I wouldn't even be trading. I wouldn't even be trying to do what I'm doing.
Got a little bit on the 250 account. What do we need? 15,000?
Damn, I was about to hit the button there. I don't think I would have got filled though.
I got 35 ticks on it. 15 contracts. 2,600. So what do we need? We need 15,000?
Yes.
All right. This could take a while.
Go. Just one quick little pop. No, don't do that to me. No, don't do that to me.
You in?
I just got in. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Come on. There we go. All right. Done with this account for today. I followed the rules. I had stop losses on all the fucking trades.
Your chart looks like such garbage.
Yeah. That's what happens when you start scalping shit.
I had a good day today. I'm up over $4,000 in Monopoly money.
Nice.
Whereas you are up 60 grand in Monopoly money.
Got a little bit of drawdown there. That's going to be my goal today with this 250K account. Just try to get all the drawdown back.
You going to tell me when you get back into these things?
I'm just picking spots, man. I'm not real. There's really no, I mean, like I'm picking them based off of my previous knowledge of reading price action, but it's kind of hard to say it on the fly. Like that one was just kind of, it was just bouncing off support. It was coming up. It broke that previous candle. I was just looking for a quick scalp to the upside. So now I can't add contracts as it goes. Just put in one order and hope. So apparently they have no problem with you adding to a winner. You just can't add to a loser.
Oh, really? You can't buy your way out?
Well, yeah, that's essentially what they're saying.
Jeez.
Methodical, what do you think about the new rule? Yeah, I'm gonna have to, it's hard because I can't really like listen to him. I have him in the background, but it's hard to listen at the same time. It's not going to stop me taking in the opening trade. I'm just going to pick a direction and go that way. And I'm going to put the brackets in. It's going to suck because I'm going to end up blowing more accounts probably because I'm going to end up trying to scalp. If I take a loss, I'm probably going to do what I just did today. And I'm just going to keep taking the trade and either I get back to where I was or... So you can't put bracket orders out. So you can't go long and short at the same time. You also have to have a stop loss in now and it cannot be more than 3-to-1. So if you're going for 20 ticks, your stop loss is 60 ticks. It can be less than that, but it can't be more than 3-to-1. Those are essentially the two big changes. Yeah, Daniel, that's the problem, is if you pick the wrong direction. But I will tell you right now, there is nothing stopping you from getting your orders ready and putting your finger on like the market button. So like when it opens, if the price starts going up, you just hit the button to get in to the upside. Or if it starts going down, you just hit the button and go to the downside. So just don't put the bracket orders in, but act like they're there mentally. So have a spot picked out. So when it gets to that spot, you hit the button manually and you essentially still have it. The only thing you're going to miss is like when there's latency and you can't even see the trade happening because it happens so fast. Like you're going to just miss those trades. Or you pick a direction, and if that happens to your direction, then you're good to go. Nutty is fighting for his life. How so? No, but the new rule make you ×3 from your take profit for yourself. Like I said, so 45 stop loss, your take profit has to be 145. No, it's the other way around. So if your take profit is 45, your stop loss could be, well, it wouldn't be 145, right? It'd be 135. What did I tell you about volatility? Remember last month if you keep showing this on live? Yeah, I think I think Alpine with his big cash outs and the people following him probably getting big cash outs are what really did it. Me showing it, I don't think had anything to do with it. They already knew it was happening. They see all the orders. Yeah, how do you think Alpine feels about that Porsche now? I'm sure he'll be fine. He's making enough from affiliates. But the question is, will people keep paying for the affiliates after this? That's the issue. Because now again, we'll see what happens. If I get this account to pay out and they try to deny it, and part of me doesn't want to activate any of these accounts that I just passed until I get that payout. I didn't even look at my options stuff this morning because I was so focused on what was going on.
What's that other account that was copying Apex?
Precision. Yeah, I was saying that last night too. I wonder if they're going to follow suit with this.
They may not. They may capitalize on all the people that are pissed off at Apex and take them all. They're not losing money by doing it the old way. They're just going to try and make more. Hey, Vesh, remember we spoke on the phone a couple days ago about how a company that has a good thing going tweaks it and messes it up? Told you about
Yeah.
my company?
Yeah.
Here it is.
About to lose some drawdown. Oh, jeez, that went straight there. So what if I do my take profit at like 100 ticks? That means I can put my 300, right? This is. Oh wait, I have like no drawdown. I just realized that. Oh, damn. Okay, all right. That account's gone. No more 250K accounts. I don't really see the point in them at this point. I mean, I see the point in them, but they're like, without the news, like the big giant move, like they're so hard to pass.
You can't pass them in one day.
Not unless you get the big 830 move type deal. All right, I actually want to switch over to my other PA account. See, this is what I'm saying with the stop loss. I don't really know. I guess the 2060 is really kind of the best route. Because I mean, typically I'm looking for 20. Just $100 scalps. Just looking for this retest. That's what I was doing with the other account, but just kept dying. So I ended up with $3,800 in profit on that 250K account, and it's blown. That's trailing drawdown for you right there. Yeah, I saw the 90% first. I bought some accounts, and as I was buying more of the 250K accounts, somebody mentioned the new rule changes, and I was like, wow. And so I stopped. But I had already bought the ones that I did, so.
I'm glad I only bought 2.
So Trades by Matt just recently said that he's going to put the big stop loss out there, but he's basically going to abuse the rules, because he said, like, if it doesn't go right to his take profit and he takes it off early, there's nothing that he can, like, I agree with him on this, but I don't know. I don't really know what they're going to do, because what's to stop you from just putting your take profit so far away that your stop loss is so far away that you just have to trade within it? Like, there's nothing to stop that, which is that's exactly what he's going to do. Yeah, you have to use a 3-to-1 stop loss. But that's what I'm saying. So what's stopping me from making my take profit say 100 ticks, and then my stop loss 300, and then at some point within the trade, if it's not getting to 100 ticks and I just take it off for 20, I just didn't like the trade to go to 100 anymore. Like, that's my discretionary choice. But when I put the order out, I technically was at 3-to-1. Yeah, I said every trade, Marius. It says it right in the new terms and conditions. I'm telling you, the stop loss thing is what's going to shoot themselves in the foot.